Hello friends, welcome to new tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to explain about extrude boss and base in feature module. You can access this command from this command manager or simply go to insert boss base and extrude. For now, explain this command, I simply switch my units to mmgs, insert a sketch in front plane and draw one center rectangle to dimension. Okay, press OK. Exit the sketch. Press extruded boss and it gives you one message on your left that which sketch or entity you want to extrude. You can simply select entity from here or you can select it from feature tree, which is over here, the new sketch that we have made. So on left side one property manager is showing over here. Simply I press blind. For now I'm going to explain each and every command in this property manager in this tutorial. For now I explaining the blind. So in blind you can extend it or you can extrude it from or at any value. You simply have to give a value and extend. I simply press here 100 and press OK. If you want to edit this feature, then simply right click on boss extrude one, go to edit feature. I can also give draft from here. Draft means angle. So if I increase the angle, you can see the changes in preview. And if I check this draft outward option, and it gives me draft outward side. For now I uncheck this option and uncheck this draft option as well. Go to direction 2. I can modify this direction 2 as well. If I want here, let's say 120 or any distance, I can give it over here. You can extrude this gauge in both the direction, and in both the direction you can give different value in extrusion and different value in draft. So if I want draft outward here and I want it for 15 degree, you can see the changes. For now I uncheck this option and uncheck this draft. Okay, so next one is select contour. So I will explain this option now. For that we have to make some changes in sketch. So I just cancel this extruded boss option, simply delete extruded boss and go to sketch and go to edit. I will draw two more rectangles. This might dimension. Okay, and I will going to add some relation. I make this and this line. Simply exit the smart dimension first. Make this line equal. Make this line equal. So now I simply exit the sketch. So we have more than one sketch in this sketch module. Like one is this rectangle, another is this rectangle, and third one is this rectangle. So if we select the sketch, if we select extruded boss command, then this command is going to ask which sketch you want to extrude. If I select sketch 1, then also in preview you can see we are not able to extend, or it is not showing any kind of preview. For that we have to go and check this select contour box, and we have to select simply the contour. Let's say I want to select this contour, so it is going to extrude only that contour. They are not going to extrude those two rectangles. I can simply delete the contour from here. I can select another contour as well. You can see. So from one sketch you can use that sketch for different command or different extrude option as well. Simply delete, simply exit the command. You can also go to select contour option by select on sketch, go to and scroll down the menu, go to contour select tool, and you can select your contour. Let's say if you want to select more than one contour, simply press Ctrl, and I want all three contour for now, and simply exit this contour sketch tool and go to extrude boss. So this time you do not need to select contour in contour checkbox. It's whatever the contour you have selected previously, it is comes over here automatically. So I give the value for now 100 mm and press OK. And let's say now I want to extrude these two contour. So I simply go, as I do not need to sketch again. I simply use this sketch, right click and select contour select tool, and I simply select these two contour by pressing Ctrl. Exit the command, extrude boss, flip the side from here. You can flip the side by pressing here or pressing double click on or dragging that arrow up or down. So simply give here 20 mm and press OK. You can see we can make two boss extrude from single sketch. You can see for both the extrude we are using one sketch. So this one is called parent-child relation. So this sketch command is under child relation, and this boss extruded command is in parent relation. I will show, or I will explain this parent-child relation thing in future. It's very interesting and very convenient in advanced modeling. So for now, I simply delete this extrude. Now I'm going to explain more features in this extruded boss base. So I simply click extrude boss. You can see we are using previously only the blind option. Now I'm going to explain each and every option here. So the first option in here is through all, and if I flip the side, so through all means whatever it's going to extrude through all the body which is come in between, and it extended through last phase of these two bodies. So let's say I switch to another option up to next, then it will going to extend till next feature or next body phase. Third option is up to vertex. So for that we have to select a corner or a point on the body. So if I select, let's say, this point, then our extrude will be extended till this point and this face. And if we change our vertex, see the changes in preview. Or let's say we want from here, then our body is extended till here. Next option is up to surface. So in up to surface we have to select any face of body, or we can select any plane. Let's say I select this face, and our body is extended till that face, or I can select this plane, then it will be extended till that plane. Move to next command, offset from surface. So for the plane we have select this plane, and in offset value I change the offset value from 20 millimeter. You can see everything in preview that our body is extended till this plane, but it's keep maintaining that offset value. If I reverse the direction, you can see the changes in preview. Next option is up to body. So whatever the body we are going to select here, our geometry is going to extend it till that body. Let's say I want to extend my geometry till that body, then simply select that body in this. Last option is midplane. So from midplane you can see our geometry is going to extended in both directions. If I change the value, let's say our value is 100 millimeter, so it will be going to extend 50 millimeter in each direction. So our next option is from. So from this option we are going to determine the start point of our extrude. Sketch plane is selected as a default. So if we going to select any face, we can start our extrude from that face. Let's say I want to extrude that circle between these two faces of body. So I select from and select the observed surface, face and plane, select this face, and in direction option I'm going to select up to surface and select this surface. You can see the changes. If I delete that face, and select this face, our extrusion is start from that face. You can also select the vertex. So if I select this vertex point, so my start point is this face, and I extrude it. I can extrude, or I can flip the direction. So guys, next option is offset. So if you want some offset from our start point, then we can give any kind of offset. I just flip the side and you can see the changes. Direction box, we have selected line, and in from menu we have selected offset. You can see the changes. So guys, that's all in this feature command. See you in next tutorial. Thank you.